बरतानिया के वज़ीराअज़म स्टार्मर ने कहा है कि अमेरिका ईरान जंग बरतानिया की जंग नहीं, मुल्क को इस जंग में घसीटने नहीं देंगे। उन्होंने किसी सूरत इस जंग में शामिल ना होने का दो टोक ऐलान कर दिया। बरतानवी वज़ीराअज़म ने ईरान जंग का हिस्सा न बनने का ऐलान कर दिया है। अमेरिका ईरान जंग से बरतानिया का कोई ताल्लुक नहीं।
Is the single most effective military alliance the world has ever seen, and it has kept us safe for many decades, and we are fully committed to NATO. Secondly, that whatever the pressure on me and others, whatever the noise, I'm going to act in the British national interest in all the decisions that I make. And that's why I've been absolutely clear that this is not our war, and we're not going to get dragged into it. Full reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, and that's why we're moving to the next level of planning in relation to the Strait of Hormuz. We've been dealing with this for some time, but now we move to the next stage with the Foreign Secretary meeting coming up later this week, the first time we've convened that coalition, if you like, of countries to look at diplomatic means, political means, and then the military planners coming together at a separate meeting to look at capabilities.